The two pieces of equipment we have purchased from Komatsu RMS has been a PC88 and a PC138. We purchased them because they have the rubber pads. We do a ton of work in the roads, and they are fantastic for what we do. 90% of our jobs are going to be in roads, and we have overhead utilities, we have underground utilities. We're not moving hundreds of yards of dirt. We're precisely digging a hole, and with these smaller machines, we can still pick our trench boxes with them, set them in the hole, safely dig inside our trench boxes, and they're just fantastic for what we use them for. The work we provide is emergency service, and we are often running our equipment at 20 below. It is a peace of mind to know that if and when problems arise, RMS has taken care of them and just made it right. It's been a good working relationship. We're not spending millions of dollars in equipment. So it's nice as a small company to feel like RMS is taking care of you. They care about the small businesses.